Hi all, welcome to Distaka channel. One question is asking about the YouTube lot of people. Sir, I'm creating a website. How we can sharing the social media icons? So this content is there, sir. How we can sharing the social media icon like Facebook, or we can coming to the Twitter, LinkedIn, WhatsApp. We have multiple options there. If you go to the my website, is already I'm discussed. This anyone newly doubt will be clarified purpose I created this video. So here we have give option will be like this and like this also. We can shading for email, Twitter, a lot of option purpose. This option how to create. Suppose this is not creating for developers, how to create this feature on your particular website. In this purpose, we have the website name is called addthis.com. This how to use. First of all, give the steps. First, this website will be right now in the content I can't share. Why? Because no sharing option is there. How to share? Simple. Select here. First of all, where course. We can check first course. No social icons are there. We can sharing purpose like Facebook, nothing is there. Simple. First steps. Select the addthis.com. Log in with the Google or any email. After logging this account, your site will be there. Selecting the site name here. Okay, selecting the site name here. So there is the site name will be my site. In this, select your website name. Here, click for in this option. Go to tools. Click option name is add new tool. In this tool, we have a lot of tools are there. Looking for share button, follow button, related post, link building, links posting, and link promotion website if nothing is there. So these are the particular option. What are the option will be? We can use this here. So we are looking for share button. Direct our content, we can sharing for direct in Facebook, like Twitter, how to share. Select share button. In this share button, we have to add here which one? Floating, inline, expanding. Here is the expanding, image sharing, pop-up, banner. So these all options are here. Cider. In this we selecting will be floating will be select. Click for continue. In this floating selected time, we can select by one here. Now Facebook, Twitter, email, Pinterest, add this. So not looking this, add this. So here, add more. We can click for add more option here. Add more. Here will be selecting LinkedIn. What are the options are there? WhatsApp, any option you can select. We can selecting for messenger also will be accepted. So here, what are the options you can select? We can selecting the here. And here they're accepting for Telegram also. Including Telegram, you will be post the share will be content from Telegram user also. So you are opening mobile. If you are open for the Telegram account to share the content, that you can share the content will be Telegram also. So is complete for alphabetical order will be given here. The pattern will be selecting for here and selecting for Telegram also. So where is the Telegram? Click here. After this one, we have to add this pattern will be here. So click for activate tool, code only for views. In this, the code will be here in this. So your option will be in this. Out of also they will be show here. Just code is copy. Here where you can paste for the all common pages of the where you can upload the content. Now just I'm logging the cPanel here. I'm logging cPanel. Go to file manager. This code you can do task for the developer. They updating the website. No need to worry about this option to add the content. So this is very easy. This code we can use it for bloggers also. So previous course info, select here. Now we can see this one. Here, one more option in this. Here, all will be script will be created in this option. So this will be wise. We can add the particular code option. So wait, here is the. Here we can go to get code also. Code is available. So this is the particular method from this option. So add it here. Now I'm go to blog. Click any one blog. You're not there. I'm adding for blog page also. Edit. Change. Refresh. They can add anywhere. Just one click. You can share it from the Facebook. You can share it from the Twitter. You share it from LinkedIn. Any option is a valid from your particular share option. So the simple steps we have to follow this one to direct share the social media option. There's one of the websites called addthis.com. This is nothing required from the coding knowledge. Just the code will generate it. This will be available by the your particular blogger website, your particular HTML and PHP website. The code will be valid. And if you go to WordPress, automatic code will be there. Plugin, install plugin, use. Other you can use this customize option will be. Add this also will be support. So this is a pattern will be follow to share the content on social media here. One more thing is called before this option. See this here. Tool, setting. Here, everything is there in this. Select by here, large icon or medium. Go for medium icon or small icons. When click for update tool, now you can refresh. Icon will be complete small. So here, get the tool, copy the code. Code is same here, nothing to change. I can copy the once again, just you can remember purpose. See this, a particular option. Next one, go to tools. Anything you can change the setting option in this. Medium, standard. Here will be, we can individual, none. None nothing but update it. We can changing this option. Any further changes are required, go to setting and activate it. Here. Next, right side or left side, that option select. Here, response width, top 20%. I give you the top 30%. Activate it. Refresh. Just the little bit going to down here. So this will be option will be workout. So here, little bit I am changing here. Go to settings. Here will be 40% updating tool. Now you can refresh. Little bit going to the down option. So these are the particular pattern will be follow for the setting also will be valid. What are the settings you need? We can add the particular settings option will be valid here. Top to here, bottom to here. Every option responsive width 979. So we can go with 800 updated. Now refresh. What are the changes are required? Anything will be changed by your particular in this setting option. Everything valid points we can utilize on the particular here. Small, large, and here. This is a mobile size. Most of the people is a given by the mobile size. Here is that. So I'll give the medium. If we go to the small, they come into here. Update it. Saving this. Here is that. Individual, total, and individual and total. So what are the clicks will be? Count type. I don't looking for any count type. Click for here. In this bottom, top, and hide. If you click hide here, just I'll show you. Here is this. Now click for setting in this. Here is the mobile. Here is the desktop in this. Mobile also. Yes. So once again, refresh it. Here is the all option will show to the customers. So these are the setting we can use and updating your social media icons on your particular website. Any changes are required, we can use this in a particular option. So settings and change your particular size. Updating the tool. This will be updated here. So these are the options we can follow to the particular website to update the content here. So any question about this option, please ask me to my channel. I definitely will be support you. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, like, share, comment our channel videos.